So today we are going to start with our experiment number 4, that is personal protective equipments. And when we talk about the personal protective equipments, it is called as a protection scheme or a protection system which will add as a layer, extra safety layer between a hazard and a person which may be has a chances to become victim in particular accident, near miss, or in a condition where it can be lead to a fatal or injurious condition. Okay, so now these personal protective equipments will help the worker, supervisor and engineer to have a safe work environment. So if you know that safety starts from you, or safety starts from a person who is involved in the activity of industries. So if these activities are performed by our human body, then our human body should be considered for its own safety. Okay, so I hope यहाँ तक जो आप ये पॉइंट को समझ रहे हो, ये आप तक पहुंच रहा है. If it is yes, just type yes in the chat box that yes, we need to safeguard our human body while working in an industry. Now, if we talk about the different parts of our human body, we need to provide a different types of protection systems by which it will be acting as an extra layer. It will act as a extra layer for our that particular body part. So say for example, if we are having the work environment where there are chances of majority accidents related with the acid or a chemical splash on a human skin, then we need to provide the personal protective equipments in the form of the clothing. So wearing an appropriate clothing will help an organization to reduce the risk of hazards as well as accidents and injury related with the skin. Also, we can see that if clothing is properly having its standards related with the personal protective equipments like a boiler suit or a designated uniform, then the communication between the people also gets improved and safety is also enhanced. Second one, when we talk about the respiration related issues in an industry where we are nowadays like using mask for every day, every time we are using the mask, right? But when we talk about the using the mask in an industry, it is for preventing the hazards associated with the very minute particles. Okay, those particles may lead to the lung infection, or maybe these tiny little particles lead to the coughing and any other sort of disorder for your lungs and respiration process. So when we talk about the respiration process, then we require some mechanism by which you can provide the respiratory protection. Okay, now when we talk about this kind of protection, then we are looking for like a mask, and a mask along with the shield of chemical composites and resins, right? So these all things will add and value to this particular respiratory protective equipment. Then we have eye and face protection. When we talk about eye and face protection, we generally look for our splash of a chemical, then this particular welding related or a grinder related particles which may come in contact with the human eyes. Now when the ability of a human to see the things and take a decision accordingly is lost, then there are chances that it will be creating some kind of accidents. Okay, and because of that, we need to protect our eyes from any external we can say impurity, you can say, or it can be related with any kind of it may be high temperature or low temperature, or maybe a dust or any steam or any other impurity which may go to your eyes. To say protection के लिए we need to use this eye protection like goggles, safety goggles, right, face shield. So these all things are related and important for our protection. Then in the construction site, most of the materials which are located above the head, and also they are located on the very high heights. Okay, so if the material is falling from the height, then it will be causing a damage, or it will be causing a you can say a tremendous problem for our head. And as you know that our brain is situated in the head and has a chances that it may lead to some some kind of severe effects if some heavy object, sharp object, we are able to have its impact on our head, then it is very dangerous. Okay, so moving ahead with this, after that in industry, I will just ask you to write down these points in your notebook right now. Go ahead. डन एवरीवन, हो गया आपका लिख के? ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो हियरिंग प्रोटेक्शन डिवाइसेस, वेयर वी हैव ear muffs and air plugs, basically, which will be having that kind of noise level which is present in industry, maybe due to the hammering action, due to some crushing mechanisms, or maybe due to some kind of friction oriented work which is happening in industry. ये सारी चीजों को अगर आपको रोकना है तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि ये एक्टिविटीज तो इंडस्ट्री में चलेंगी, उसका आवाज भी होगा, उसका नॉइज भी होगा, और उस नॉइज से अगर बचना है तो एक ही हम कर सकते हैं, दैट वी नीड टू use some device which will be becoming an obstacle between the high energy of that noise and your ears, which we need to protect. And then that kind of mechanism is like ear muffs and ear plugs. Okay, so that is your hearing protective devices. Then we have is a harness. When the person is working on the height, and from that height, if that person fall down, then it will lead to the problem, or it will lead to, say for example, it will lead to a death, maybe some injuries, maybe related with some kind of damage to the materials. And most probably, if that person is fallen from that height, which is not that much, you can say, safe for that person, because after the height of say 3 meters, if someone falls, then that person is having a higher chances of losing his body part. And for that purpose, we need some mechanism by which that person can be harnessed, it can be saved, it can be uh, you know like holded along with its own body and the tools if he is carrying anything. And then he should not be directly hitting the ground or the nearby surface, but its impact should be reduced. And for that purpose, we need a full body harness which can be connected to the lifeline, and it can be connected to the rope where the impact is being taken care of. Now once the impact is taken care of, then your muscles and your human body, like the muscles and bones, are not getting affected due to this kind of impact. Now yes, when we talk about the chemical industry, chemical needs to be handled. When we are handling it with the cans or gallons or container, then we are saying that the hand or that particular any holding device will come in contact with the human skin. Okay, when that human skin will either be reacting with that material or it will be creating an injury. Okay, and to protect that person or that person from that skin injury, we need to provide a skin protection like hand gloves. Okay, hand gloves में भी बहुत सारे types होते हैं. Okay, apart from the hand gloves, you can use different materials like full sleeve apron, like that. Okay, so these are the different things which can add value as a protection device for your skin. Okay, then we have a footwear where most probably used, or we can say most widely used body part in the industry is your legs, because you need to walk from your location to the work location, from work location to again back, then your changing room, and then your tool room, then your stores, then your account department, then your some kind of register department, okay, food related canteen. So यहाँ हर जगह पे आपको जाने आने के लिए you are using your body part called as legs. And when you are using your legs, it's at most very important that you should be considering taking care of it. So if you are taking care of your legs, then very first point which come in your mind, that is, if any sharp object, or if any hard object, or if any object which has a tremendous amount of weight is falling on your what you can say, your feet, then there are chances that people who are actually a victim will be not in a position to walk in the future. And to have that kind of negative impact, that can be prevented by using the protective footwear. So it is a one type of PPE, personal protective equipment, which is working towards the any injury to your foot. Okay, so what exactly this protective footwear has? So it has a guard mechanism, which mostly you also be using, and it's called as a safety shoes. Okay, so how many of you have used safety shoes till far? So most of you have used it, but now when we are using a safety shoes, we have so much of complaints that the safety shoes may be heavy, they are not fit to my legs, they may be itching, they might be having some other problems associated with it, they don't look nice. So these all are your excuses for not wearing the personal protective equipment, or we can say personal protective footwear. But that may lead to a tremendous loss to you. If some injury happen to your legs, your all the movements suddenly come to an end, and because of which you will experience that the protective footwear is again very important. Okay, now when we talk about the sun and heat protection, then next point is that when we are in a region where exposure to sun and exposure to higher temperature will be leading to the muscular pain and muscular trauma, and the people will experiencing a thermal shock, or we also heard it in many of the time during the summer season, that it is called as a sunstroke. And if such kind of thing happen in industry, and some person is working on live conductors, then you can see what will be the chances, what will be the effect of such kind of accident. And to prevent that, we need to provide the sun and heat protection in a different ways. ओके, सो आई होप यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर हुआ होगा किस तरह से हम पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ओके, राइट. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट, देयर आर अदर बेनिफिट्स आल्सो. Okay, now what are the other benefits you look when we talk about the personal protective equipment? Anyone, just any one of you, what are the advantages? Just let me know in the chat box. Chat box में मुझे बताओ क्या क्या advantage है. Avoid accident. Okay, what else? Do you think that we should do a what you can say? We should do a उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जबरदस्ती करने को क्या बोलते हैं, ऐसा रूल बनाते हैं जिसकी वजह से यू ऑलवेज नीड टू वेयर द पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट्स इन इंडस्ट्री. ऐसा कुछ कानून बनाते हैं क्या? आपको क्या लगता है, ऐसा बनाना चाहिए? यस और नो? यस, बनाना चाहिए. तो क्या लोग फॉलो करेंगे उसको? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? पीपल विल एक्सेप्ट दैट कि ये अच्छा रूल बनाया है, हम इसको फॉलो करेंगे? व्हाट हैपन? टेल मी. लिख के हो गया आपका एवरीवन? industry people will follow. They need to do so for their own safety. Yes, awareness to others if rules implemented or not. In industry, we follow the rules. Who is responsible will follow. अच्छा, who is responsible will follow. Okay, okay. So basically, अगर हम किसी को कुछ जबरदस्ती करते हैं या बोलते हैं कि तुमको ऐसा ही करना है, तो वो शायद एक दिन दो दिन करेगा, बट उसके बाद देर आर लेस चांसेस that people will follow those rules. Okay, still, if there is an award or a pain related with it, people may think that yes, we may not do that or we may skip that basically. Okay, तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. तो otherwise what happened, there are very few accidents we would have seen if the people have started believing that yes, we need to work on such areas for utilizing the resources like personal protective equipment. So I hope यहाँ तक आप सभी को clear हो गया है what we are going to see in the today's session. What are the things which we have learned today? So make sure you write down it in the chat box. What we have seen today, what are the different types of personal protective equipments which you have seen. Now we are focusing on any one of them, or you can choose any one of them at your place. You write it down, its name. Someone will select for a helmet, someone will select for a air plug, someone will सिलेक्ट फॉर से सेफ्टी शूज. तो आपको जो अच्छा लगता है वो आप सिलेक्ट कीजिए. ओके, मैं आपको उसके लिए एक दो मिनट देता हूँ, सो यू कैन डिस्कस और यू कैन जस्ट consider your topic and keep it with yourself. And now what you are supposed to do with that we are going to see. Okay, so first point we are going to see, as per our syllabus, that student should be in a position to study the personal protective equipment, how they are made, what are the different properties of that safety related PPE. Okay, तो ये सारी चीजें जो है वो हमें आज देखनी है. So personal protective equipment should be shown to the students in laboratory, like we can show you the different types of PPEs available and then how they are helpful in getting the things done safely. तो उसका यूज किस तरह से होता है, ये सारी चीजें हमें ये पर्टिकुलर पीपीईस के बारे में स्टडी करना है. नाउ व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग or when we are experiencing the PPEs, then what are the chances that people will fall for the accident? So people will not be having the accident related activities and direct exposure to the those activities basically, because in between that unsafe condition, unsafe act, the person has a protective layer in between called as a personal protective equipment. And then in industrial premises also we are looking for such kind of behavior where using of PPE is mandatory, following the safety precautions is mandatory, and being aware. Okay, what is the niche line? That is, we need to being aware about what exactly we are doing in industry and how safely we are doing it. That okay. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं हमारे एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4 में. Also, if we go to the title of this particular experiment, that to study the need, the design, applications, and materials used for 10 important personal protective equipments available in the market. So, if we talk about the PPEs which are available in the market, then very first thing which you have to do is that आपके घर के आजू बाजू में जहाँ पर भी हार्डवेयर का शॉप है, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्टॉलेशंस जहाँ पे मिलते हैं उसका शॉप है, वहाँ पर आप जाएंगे तो आपको वहाँ पे ये सारे सेफ्टी के टूल्स मिल सकते हैं. तो उनके बारे में आप वहाँ पे देख के उसे एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो what we are going to do next in this particular experiment, then we are going to find out the need. So if we talk about the head protection, what is the need of a head protection? Just tell me in the chat box. Head protection मतलब दो हेलमेट वाला. सो हेलमेट के लिए क्या है, क्या जरूरी है? हेलमेट जरूरी है. ओके, हार्ड एंड लाइट मटेरियल, लाइट वेट. Okay, to protect your head, safety helmet. Yes. So these devices will help you to prevent the head injury. Okay, maybe sometimes person may go to coma or something like that, lose his consciousness, and such thing would happen if we are not providing a proper say healthcare system to the victim. But before going into that scenario, if that person is not having the proper we can say proper PPEs in place, then that person is going to affect that way. So the need of these PPEs is that people should wear it, and when people are using it, people are wearing it, it should be following its uh, what you can say following its purpose. तो उसके पर्पस के अकॉर्डिंग उसे यूज करना है. इफ पर्सन इज वर्किंग ऑन अ वेरी highest location on the construction site, then that person should be wearing a harness, not the helmet. Are you with me? So this is called as a how you are selecting, how you are using the this particular selection of your PPE will play an important role. Okay, perfect. So next, after the need, it is a design. Now sometimes we have seen that the design of a head of everyone is different. अगर हम यहाँ पर भी बात करेंगे तो ये ऑनलाइन क्लास में जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंट है उन हर एक का उनके सिर का डायमीटर जो है वो अलग होने वाला है. राइट, हेड का डायमीटर जो है वो अलग होने वाला. अलग होने की वजह से क्या हो सकता है कि आपका आपको जो हेलमेट सूट होता है वो शायद किसी और को सूट नहीं होगा. अगर उसके उसने वो स्ट्रैप जो है वो उसका अगर टाइट नहीं किया है तो उसका हेलमेट जो है वो नीचे गिर सकता है. तो इस प्रकार से अगर हम बात करेंगे तो हमारे पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट्स की डिजाइन कुछ इस तरह से होनी चाहिए कि उसका जो वर्किंग है दैट शुड बी यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड. यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड का मतलब ये है कि ये डिजाइन कहीं पर भी यूज होनी चाहिए with a small or a very minimum modification. ओके, तो आई होप यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर हो गया है. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट, आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज applications using this PPEs. We need to find its application, not only wearing it at the time of working, but apart from that, what are the different application? Okay, like if we are using the helmet, yes, definitely it is used for head protection. But where we require that head protection to be done, कहाँ कहाँ पे हेड प्रोटेक्शन की जरूरत है? डू वी नीड इट ओनली ऑन द कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट? डू वी नीड इट while we are driving? Do we need it while we are doing the welding process? तो ये सारी चीजें जो है वो आपको सोचनी है. ओके, यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है? परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now it comes to a very important point, that is material used. Which material you are going to use for the PPE? Okay, that is what we are going to see. Because when we talk about the personal protective equipment, we will be seeing that it is generally, it is generally using the material which is following the requirements. तो जो जो requirements आपके है उसे use करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट को उसके अकॉर्डिंग बनाते हैं. ओके, तो आई होप यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर हो गया है. तो इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को लिखना कैसे है आपको, दैट यू हैव टू सी द रिपोर्ट ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ यूजिंग द पीपीईज इन इंडस्ट्रियल प्रीमाइसेस. तो जैसे हमने अभी देखा था वो ये 10 टाइप्स के पीपीईज देखे थे, उसका लिस्ट बनाना है आपको, उसके एग्जांपल्स लिखने हैं, उसके एप्लीकेशंस लिखने हैं. आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू राइट डाउन द नीड, व्हाई दैट हेड प्रोटेक्शन इज नीडेड. ओके, व्हाट विल बी इट्स डिजाइन, व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशंस, एंड व्हिच मटेरियल्स आर यूज्ड फॉर दिस PPEs. Okay, so there is not a single material by which a PPE can be manufactured. So we require 2-3 different materials or metals, you can say, in this particular mechanism. यहाँ तक समझ में आया आपको? Just type yes in the chat box. Perfect, perfect. So I will stop the screen sharing now. And if you have any doubt related with this experiment number 4, let us discuss on that. Okay. So for today we will stop here. You need to submit your all the experiments as soon as possible. तो यहाँ पे ग्रेड्स की अगर बात करूँगा तो जिनका पहले से हो चुका है सबमिशन उनको अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे. जिनका पेंडिंग दिखा रहा है, I don't know the reason why it is pending and why only one person is putting the experiment number 1 in place. So these all things will matter. Okay, ये ध्यान में रखो आप. मैं अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4 जो है वो यहाँ पे फ्लोट करने वाला हूँ. So you just need to do it as soon as possible. Okay, so make sure you mark your attendance. You are some 42 students here. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. If you have any feedback or if you want to say something, you can just unmute yourself and tell me.
हॅलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर हे जे एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये 100 पॉईंट साठी आहेत का? मला एक विचारायचं होतं सर, म्हणून जाऊ म्हणजे 100 लिहिलेले होते तिथे.
100 नाही पाहिजे का तुम्हाला?
नाही नाही सर, ऍक्च्युली मी 100 लिहिले मार्क्स आहेत म्हणजे 100 आहेत का बोललं, कारण 10 मार्क्सची असाइनमेंट होती आणि ते 100 मला कन्फ्युजन वाटलं म्हणून मी विचारलं.
ठीक आहे सर, बरं झालं सांगितलंस. म्हणून सबमिट नाही केलं?
नाही सर, सबमिट केलं मी.
केलं ना? हा ठीक आहे, आपण त्याला 10 करून टाकू, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. ठीक आहे. ठीक है, इसके अलावा कुछ डाउट किसी को? नो वन?